everybody. A very happy new year to all of you from Hridaya Astral Reflection and me. And today I'm going to discuss the annual forecast for the year 2021 for all the 12 zodiac signs. I hope you like my short summary of forecast for all these zodiac signs. And before we start, if you require personal consultation on your horoscope from me, please feel free to contact me at my Facebook page or Instagram account or email. The links are given below in the description section. Thank you very much. Let's start and go ahead with the yearly forecast for 2021 for all the 12 zodiac signs. So Aries, let's see what we have got for you in this year 2021. Now, Aries, for Aries people, 2021 is going to be a mixed year, a mixed bag actually. If you are planning to travel abroad, you may have to put in a real effort. You have to work very hard because there might be some obstruction or challenges. If you want to travel abroad, there might be obstruction. But on the other side, there are good news on monetary part because you will have a lot of monetary gains this year. Also, your losses will be curbed and you'll have lesser losses this year. And your overall expenses also might come down. Also, you might be having a very spiritual bend of mind during this year, especially for those Aries people who are going through their Saturn Mahadasha or Antardasha. Now, there can be some difference of opinion between you and your mother, or you or one of your close family members. It can also be that your mother or your close family members might go through some difficulties during this time. And other than this, relationship wise, your relationship with your spouse or your partner or business partners, or even relationship with people in general, will drastically improve this year. You will have good time with your spouse, with your partner, with your business partner. So overall, I think it's a mixed bag for Aries ascendant or moon sign people. So go ahead, work hard and be practical, and everything will get sorted out on their own. Thank you. Dear Taurians, so let's see how this year is going to turn out for you. Now, overall, this is a mixed bag for the Taurian people 2021. To start off with, it's not a very suitable time for you to take up higher education like masters or PhD because you will have to put in a lot of hard work and effort in doing so. Even if you take up, there might be some obstacles in completing or being successful in these programs. And also taking up long distance travels like pilgrimages or getting into cross cultural connections and ventures might prove difficult for you. This is not a suitable year for doing all this. Now, other than this, on the other hand, your daily work life will improve drastically. All the obstacles and challenges the Taurians were facing last year will come down to a great extent, and you'll enjoy your daily work life. And your health will improve too, and any court cases or pending litigation matters will get sorted out, or it will ease down. You'll feel a great amount of relief in court cases matter if there is any. And what's more, the family, you will find a lot of harmony and peace in your family matters and home life. So I hope that that's all for the Taurus ascendant or moon sign people. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like them, so that you can get updated with all my upcoming videos. Thank you, Taurians. All the best. Hello, Gemini people. Hope you all are doing well. Let's see what's there in for you for 2021. Now, to start off with, it's a great year for the Gemini ascendant or Gemini moon sign people. Progress and improvement is seen in almost all areas of your life. So, congratulations about it. To start off with, it is a very good time for you to take up higher education if you are planning so, like masters or PhD. You'll be successful in it. There won't be any problems, any obstacles. And also, if you're planning for a long distance travel like pilgrimages, taking up pilgrimages, or making any cross cultural relationship or cross cultural ventures, it is an ideal time to do so. You will be successful in it. So please go ahead and do it. Other than this, relationship with siblings, neighbors, and close friends will improve drastically. You will have a nice time. You will blast and have a nice time with them during the year 2021. So enjoy your time. And also for Gemini people, many of the Geminis will get inclined towards study of occult sciences like astrology, tarot card reading. You might get interested in all these mystical knowledges. Relationship wise, relationship with mother or some close family relatives, it might not be good. You might have some difference of opinion with them, or it could also be that your mother or your any of your close family relative might face some trouble during this year. And it's not a very good year for career matters for you, Gemini. Very sad to say so, but you might face some difficulties in your career matters, or it might be that you face some obstruction in your career field. Um, you might have some difference of opinion with your authority or subordinates. So just remain calm and maintain a diplomatic approach and avoid getting into trouble. Just be practical and mature, and things will get sorted out on their own. So that's for Gemini ascendant or moon sign people. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel so that you can get updated with all my upcoming videos. So thank you. Stay blessed. All the best. Hello Cancers. So the 2021 yearly forecast for you is mainly it's a satisfactory year for you all with quite a few challenges as well. And especially in case of relationship matters or business partnership matters, you might face some difficulties or obstructions. Just remain calm, maintain a diplomatic approach, and be mature and wise in your actions, and things will get sorted out on their own. And in case you're planning to get higher education like PhD or masters, then you will have to put in a lot of efforts there. Even if you want to take up long distance pilgrimages, or if you want to make any cross cultural ventures or connections, you might face some difficulties in them because it's not a suitable time for you to invest in all these. Than this, on the other hand, relationship with your mother or close relatives will improve drastically. More or less, things at home in family matters will improve very much. And in case your mother is going through some difficulties like health problem, or your close family members they are facing some problems, those will get sorted out eventually. Since Jupiter is transiting your eighth house of sudden ups and downs of turbulence, um, it can happen that you might face sudden incidences or sudden events which will transform your life, which will transform your personality in some way. Also, with this, you have to be careful while driving. No need to get scared, just be cautious. And you have to take care of your finances as well, because some kind of losses is seen in the year 2021. So you have to take care of your finances and gains. Prevent all unnecessary expenditures during this year. And last but not the least, this year you might be having a spiritual bend of mind. So try and go for spiritual practices like meditation, yoga, and all these type of spiritual practices. It might help you in the long run. That's all for Cancerians. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. And that's it. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Yours, a very happy new year to all of you. Now let's see what the year 2021 is bringing in for you. Now overall, it's a very good year for Leo people. Relationship with siblings, neighbors, close friends will improve drastically. It will flourish, so you might as well go ahead and have a good time with them, plan out parties or get-togethers with them. On the other hand, your daily work life might be a bit hectic. You can face some obstacles or challenges. They might increase in numbers. So you really have to work hard in those matters of your daily work schedule. And regarding relationship with your spouses and business partners, this is going to be a good time to spend in company of your spouse, to have a good time with them, as well as it's a good time for business partnership as well. You can go ahead and invest in business partnership if you're thinking so, because this is a good year in general for business partnership and in relationship with your spouse. Other than this, your losses will be curbed. Whatever losses you had faced last year, it will come down, and this will be followed by monetary gains as well. The year 2021 is going to be a very good year for Leo in terms of monetary gains. So you might gain and profit tremendously in the year 2021. Other than this, many of the Leos will benefit from their elder siblings and social networking. So if you're having large group of friends or you're venturing into some business regarding social network, and you may very well go ahead because you will gain from it. Also, you will gain from your elder sibling. Many of the Leos will feel inclined towards learning occult subjects like astrology, tarot card reading. This is a good year for you to learn all these subjects. So if you have any plans or obsession to learn these science subjects, then you might go ahead. You will be successful in them. So that's it for Leo. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. All the best. Stay blessed. Virgo, Happy New Year. Let's see what's in there for you for the year 2021. Now, overall, it's a mixed bag for all the Virgos, the analytical and calculative sign of the zodiac. Relationship, to start with, relationship with close family members will improve. Family matters will be much stable this year. Also, Virgos will be successful in accumulating wealth and assets for them. Now, when it comes to romantic relationship and children, you might face some difficulties or difference of opinion with your children or with your romantic partner. It could also be that your romantic partner or children might face some difficulties. You might face, if you're in creative field, if you're in art field, then you might have some problem emoting your arts and creativity as well. There can be some problem in your arts and creative field. Other than this, Virgos will have to work very hard in their daily work life. They might face some obstacles and challenges. Also, their enemies might increase in numbers, so you have to be very careful regarding these matters. Deal diplomatically and stay alert. But overall, this is a very good time for your career matter. Those Virgos who are looking for new job prospects may as well start job hunting, because you might land up for better job opportunities. Also, if you want a salary hike in your present job scenario, you might get it. You may also very well go ahead and ask for a promotion. Chances are you might land up with a promotion as well. But in areas of gain, you will have to struggle in the year 2021. Gaining substantially will be a bit difficult for you during this year. Also, you'll have to guard yourself against unnecessary expenditures. So that's it for Virgos. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. All the best. Thank you. Stay blessed. Hello Librans, a very happy new year to you all. Now let's see what's there in store for you for the year 2021. Now overall, life improves for the Librans around March 2021, when Jupiter is going to transit into Aquarius. Domestic matters, relationship with close family members and mother will improve. Even difficulties to your mother and family members will get better, will improve with time, if you and your family members have a practical and matured approach to it. Because Saturn right now is transiting in your fourth house of family, home, and mother, and Saturn loves practicality and maturity, hard work, all these earthly things. So if you abide by the guidelines of Saturn, if you put in your efforts with maturity and practicality, then the problems in your home and family with your mother will get sorted out eventually. Along with this is a good time for the Librans in case of love relationship. Your relationship with your romantic partners will improve. Also, a good time to be spent in company of your children. Librans will gain from the company of their children, and overall life of the children will improve too. It's a good time for speculative business also. So if you are planning to invest in speculative business like stocks and share market, then you may go ahead. This year is going to be good for you in those arenas. Those Librans who are in creative field, they may also gain during this year. It's a good time for artistry and creativity. But on the career front, you have to put in your double efforts and hard work because Saturn is aspecting your 10th house of career, Cancer. So just work hard, be practical and mature, and diplomatic in your approach in your career matters, and just sustain the period of 2021 because eventually you will gain from your career because Jupiter will be aspecting your 11th house of gains from April 2021. So your gains will start increasing during this time. So keep on putting your hard work and effort in your career matters. You will gain eventually. So that's it for the Librans. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Good luck. Hello Scorpios. Now let's see what's in there for you for the year 2021. Overall, it's a mixed year for Scorpios. A relationship with your siblings, neighbors, and close friends might remain stressful during this time. And also, it could be that these people might face some difficulties during this year. So it's because of Saturn. Now, Saturn loves maturity and practicality. So if you imbibe these qualities in you, in the approach towards them, siblings, your friends, small group of friends, and neighbors, then whatever problem is there, it will get sorted out in due course of time. Also, you have to keep in mind that whatever uh, projects you're taking up, you will have to put double efforts in them. You have to work extra hard because that's what Saturn does. Saturn makes you work, makes you repeat your work again and again so that you become perfect in it. That's what Saturn tries to do. So whatever work you're taking up, you will have to, maybe at first it doesn't get, you are not successful, so you try again. So you will have to put in double efforts, and you really have to work hard to be successful in any project like business or any online job or any social network thing, etc. Even your communication might get suppressed at time. It can get restricted due to various reasons. There can be a lot of confusion around your communication during this year. So uh, any communication like online communication or written communication or oral communication, any communication. So what you can do is you practice your communication, whatever you're going to communicate, whether it's written or oral, you just practice it once or twice before actually delivering your communication. In that way, you will be able to successfully communicate whatever you are trying to. So it's not going to be any a hindrance anymore to you. Other than that, domestic matters with domestic matters and relationship with your close family members and your mother will improve drastically this year. uh, and any sort of difficulties your mother or close family members were facing, any kind of problems which was present in your home or family, it will gradually decrease with time. This year is going to be good for home and family matters for Scorpio. But then again, it's a difficult time for the Scorpios in case of love matters, matters with your children, or it can happen that your romantic partner or your children might face some difficulties during this time. This is also not the ideal time to invest in speculative business like stocks and share market. And people who are in creative or artistic field, they might also have to work hard, put in a lot of efforts to get successful. Just keep on doing the good work, the hard work, put in a lot of efforts, and all the problems, obstacles will get removed eventually. I believe in that. Other than this, many of the Scorpios might feel inclined towards doing research work and studies in matters of occult sciences like astrology, tarot card reading, etc. Also, you have to keep it in mind that Ketu is transiting through your Lagna, Scorpio, during this year. And since Scorpio is the house of transformation, sudden incidences and events, you have it might be that there can be sudden incidences in your life, sudden events which might transform you. You may get transformed totally, like physically as well as mentally. Your personality might change. All this can happen this year. Also, it's just a word of caution: be very careful while driving. Just be cautious. Just be cautious and take precautions, wear your seat belts, and be alert while driving, and everything will fall in place. Don't worry. It's just a word of caution. And for those who are thinking of taking up higher education like PhD or masters, or even investing in cross cultural ventures or taking up long distance travels like pilgrimages, then this is not quite an eventful year for you. You might not be successful in your first attempt, but no issues, keep on trying. If you get through it, very good. Even if you don't get through it, you keep on trying, you might get successful eventually. And career wise, it's a very good period for Scorpios. You will be very successful in your career matters. So if you're thinking of asking for that raise in salary, or you're asking for that promotion, please go ahead and ask. Also, if you're looking for a better job opportunity because you're not happy with the current one, then you may very well go ahead and look for new job opportunities. It's an excellent period for you, the year 2021, in career matters. So that's it, Scorpio. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Sagittarius, Happy New Year. Now let's see how this year 2021 is going to be for you. Now, to start off with, it's actually a mixed bag for Sagittarius. Uh, to start off with, it's going to be a bit difficult time for you. Like there can be some difficult times to your close family members, or it might be that you run into some kind of arguments. There can be some difference of opinion with your close family members. Also, many of the Sagittarius might find it difficult to accumulate wealth and assets during this time. It might you might face some obstacles or troubles in saving money, in accumulating your wealth and assets. So whatever you're doing, wherever you're investing your finances and money, just be careful and think about it before taking any decision. Other than this, there could be some troubles to your mother or close family members, as I have said previously, or your matters in your home front might face some certain difficulties, or your domestic matters might run into trouble, some kind of trouble. There can be some challenges also, but always maintain a very practical and matured outlook approach towards all these problems, and things will get sorted out on their own with time and space, because all these things are happening because of Saturn's transit in Capricorn. Saturn loves practicality and maturity, it loves wise decision. So if you take decisions based on your intellect, on your experience, on your maturity, then problems are bound to be get sorted out. Other than this, it's again not a very good year if you're planning to invest in real estate matters, in real estate business. Now, again, it's not a great year to invest in real estate matters. For those who are already in real estate businesses, it's not going to be a very great year for you because of Saturn's transit in Capricorn. So maybe you have to work harder, put in a lot of efforts to get success in real estate business. Also not a good time to buy new cars or vehicles. Other than this, on the other hand, relationship with your spouse, with other people, with your business partners will improve drastically. You will have a harmonious and peaceful time with your spouse. You'll spend in company of your spouse, and as well as other people. You enjoy their company. You can also very well go ahead and invest in business partnership. It's going to be fruitful for you. Many of the Sagittarians will feel inclined towards taking up research work and studies in field of occult sciences like numerology, astrology, tarot card reading. So just go ahead and start studying, because ultimately you're going to be benefited from all these studies in the long run. Also, this is a great time for Sagittarius to take up higher education like masters and PhD if you have plans for. And also it's a good time to travel long distance, like taking up pilgrimages. Also those Sagittarians who are planning to invest in cross cultural communication, taking up cross cultural ventures, or making cross cultural connections, those ventures and connections are going to be extremely successful. So just go ahead and invest in these connections and ventures. You'll gain from it eventually. So Sagittarius, that's all for you. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Good luck. Hello Capricorns. A very happy new year to all of you. Now let's see what the year 2021 brings in for you. Now, to be honest, it's going to be quite a challenging year for the Capricorns, because both Jupiter and Saturn is in your Lagna right now, and eventually Jupiter will move out to the sign Aquarius after April 2021. So this will bring some quite some amount of difficulties and problems in your life, overall life. To begin with, matters pertaining to your immediate family members, your home front, will improve drastically. Also, you will be able to successfully accumulate wealth and assets for yourself. So, you may very well go ahead and invest your finances and money into something beneficial, which will reap benefits in the future. But other than this, relationship with the siblings, neighbors, and close friends might be stressful. It can also happen that these people might face some difficulties during this year. Also, you have to be very careful with your communication. It might get restrained at certain point of time. It can also be that you can miscommunicate, or your communication can be misunderstood. So just practice whatever you have in mind, whatever you want to communicate, whether it's written, oral, or on social media. Just practice it out, and when you're confident enough, just put across your communication, and things will be all right, because Saturn wants to make you practice and practice, because that's what makes you perfect. Saturn looks for perfection. So that's what Saturn really wants. It's happening because of Saturn's transit in your Lagna, and its third aspect on your third house of siblings, communication, efforts. Now, speaking of efforts, whatever work you undertake, you have to put in your double efforts, your extreme hard work. Otherwise, it won't be successful. Here again, the repetitive nature of Saturn is seen. The long, repetitive work hours and efforts comes into play. That is how ultimately you're going to be successful this year. Other than this, your daily work life will be hectic too. You will face a lot of hardship in your daily work life. Also, a number of obstacles and challenges will increase, and there can be oppositions from enemies as well as colleagues. So just maintain a diplomatic approach. Don't get scared. Avoid getting into troubles, and let's hope for the best. You may eventually overcome these issues very soon. Now, relationship with your spouse, other people, business partnership, all these things will be stressful also for Capricorns. So, what I would suggest here is you maintain a very diplomatic approach in whatever matters that arises, any issues that arises out of this relationship, and let time and space do the work, and problems will get sorted out eventually. It could also be that these people, your spouse or other people who are in your life, or your business partnership, might face some difficulties, certain obstructions during this time. Let's hope for the best. That's all for Capricorns. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and that's it. Thank you. Good luck. Aquarians, a very happy new year to all of you. Now let's see what the year 2021 is going to bring in for you. Now overall, it's going to be a great year for Aquarius, because Jupiter is going to transit in your Lagna. Jupiter, the benevolent planet, the symbol of wealth and prosperity, is going to transit in your Lagna. So let's hope for the best. Overall, growth and prosperity for Aquarians are seen. Other than this, there could be some amount of troubles to your natal family or immediate family, like your mother and close paternal or maternal relatives is seen. And it could also be that you may have some difference of opinion with them, or they might face some obstacles or challenges during this year. Other than this, all, you may have certain difficulties in accumulating wealth and assets. So whatever you're planning, whatever your investment plans are, wherever you're planning to invest your finances and money, just be careful. Have a thorough check before investing anywhere. Other than this, relationship with children and romantic partners will bloom. You'll have a good time in romance arena, as well as you'll gain from the company of your children. Your children overall life will improve. Your life of your romantic partner, it will improve overall. And other than this, it's a great time if you're planning to invest in speculative business like stock market or share market. And those Aquarians who are in creative field, artistic fields, they will be quite successful in their endeavors. It's a good time for artistry and creativity for the Aquarians. Other than this, Aquarius, however, they will have to work very hard in their daily work life, because troubles, challenges, and obstacles will increase in number. Also, Aquarians might face oppositions from their colleagues, from enemies, which they have to deal with. Just deal with them diplomatically. Try and avoid getting into troubles. Avoid troubles, and let time and space do the work, and you will come out of these problems eventually. Just work hard. And other than this, relationship with your spouse, with other people in your life will improve drastically this year. And so just enjoy their company, spend some time in their company. Your relationship overall will improve. Also, it's a good time to invest in business partnerships. So if you're having any such plans, please go ahead. It is going to be a successful venture. And other than this, those Aquarians who are planning to take up higher education, or they are planning to take up long distance travels like pilgrimages, they're going to be successful in it. So please go ahead and give it a shot. If you are planning any cross cultural ventures or connections, this is an ideal time for you to go for. So all the best with that. And many of the Aquarians during this time will have a spiritual bent of mind. And as far as your 12th house of losses are concerned, expenditures are concerned, Saturn sitting there is going to curb all your losses and expenditures. So good luck with that also. You will have minimum losses this year, monetary wise. So that's it for Aquarians. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Good luck. Thank you. Hello Pisces. A very happy new year to you all. Now let's see what the year 2021 is going to bring for you. Now, overall, it's a good time for Piscean people this year, 2021, especially those Pisceans who are into spirituality and occult field. Now, in case of relationship with your mother and close family members, these relationships are going to flourish. They are going to improve. Any difficulties your mother has been going through, or your close family member has been going through, or overall any difficulty or problems you were facing in your domestic matter or on your home front, those are going to reduce eventually. Also, it's a good time to invest in real estate matters if you are planning off. And also, it's a good time to buy new car or vehicles, any conveyances if you want. Other than this, on the other hand, relationship with your love partners or your children might face certain difficulties, or it can also happen that your children or a romantic partner might face some difficulties during this time. Also, it's not an ideal time to invest in speculative business like stock and share market if you're planning. So this time is not right. This year is not right for it. And those Pisceans who are in fields of artistry or creativity, You might face certain challenges or obstacles in performing your work. Daily work life for Piscean can also be difficult. You may face some difficulties to perform your work. There can be obstacles and challenges. Also, you might face some opposition from your enemies or from your colleagues. Just be diplomatic, approach the matter maturely, and try and avoid troubles. And things will get sorted out on their own. Now, this can be a transformative year for Pisces too. There can be sudden incidences in your life which will transform you. You may change physically or mentally. Your personality might undergo drastic changes. Also, you have to be careful while driving. Just take precaution and don't need to worry about anything else. Other than this, there can be some unexpected losses also for Pisceans, followed by hard work for gains. You have to work quite hard for your gains, and you have to be careful of your expenditures, wasteful expenditures. So that's it for Piscean. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye.